Finally, the trays are packed into larger boxes, ready to be distributed to supermarkets, markets, or exported abroad. The entire process is tightly controlled to ensure that every raspberry reaching the consumer is fresh, flavorful, and flawless. To extend shelf life and preserve freshness after harvest, a portion of the packaged raspberries doesn't go out for distribution right away. Instead, they continue their journey along a gently vibrating conveyor and are quickly transferred to the deep chilling zone, where temperature is tightly controlled to maintain the fruit's natural quality, color, and delicate flavor. From there, the berries enter a rapid cooling chamber for immediate preservation. Inside, they are placed in a cold room with precisely regulated temperatures. The gentle vibration continues to prevent the berries from sticking together during freezing, ensuring each one is evenly chilled and retains its fresh appearance and perfect shape.